This is Ava doing some watercolors. She tells me she's making a cow. Are you making a cow? With some red? What's that?
I don't know.
Hmm.
It didn't get so bad.
No, it didn't get so red, did it? I think you need to wash off your paintbrush in the water better. Yeah, mush it around in there. And then try and do the red again. There, that might work better. Is that better? That looks like more red. Do you like to paint, Ava? Yeah. Where did you get your hat?
I got my hat from some Santa Claus.
Yeah. It's a cute hat, huh? He did a good job. That's really pretty, Ava. You don't know what it is, though?